So here I am at the Dorval ramps, and I've got a slow moving train here. Looks like a CN. It might actually be the CSX train with CSX locomotives. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. It's coming here in low snow. Looks like it's got some CN units on it. Coming by very slowly. Looks like it's an old SD42 on the front there. Maybe a rebuilt unit. This one's got a nice rumble to it. Now this unit is in the dark future CSX paint scheme. It's actually got this bracketed boxcar looking thing on it around the CSX. And on the unit behind it is what was called the bright future. That was the post-merger of the chassis system and the family line system paint scheme. And behind it here we have two CN locomotives. They look like one is the SD70M-2, and it looks like the second one is also that. So an interesting train here with an SD40-2 in the lead. Don't see that often. And it's stopped here waiting for a signal.